All new at 10 in Lincoln County, nearly a quarter of all COVID cases in the entire 2 years of this pandemic happened this month.
Pretty crazy. Now public health officials there are sounding the alarm that they are simply overwhelmed and people need to get their booster shots. Fox 12's Audrey Wheel joins us live with a closer look at what they're dealing with there. Audrey?
This Omicron wave is far beyond any surge that Lincoln County has seen up until this point. To reiterate that statistic that you mentioned, about 1 in 4 of all COVID cases they have ever had happened in just under these past 3 weeks. So that's about 1,200 cases for them. County public health workers had to stop contact tracing last week because they couldn't keep up. And now there are so many cases that they can't even contact everyone who tests positive. So they're trying to spread the word community-wide on who needs to isolate and quarantine and what resources are available. Susan Traxel with County Health says this is a culmination of how contagious Omicron is and how people are feeling about COVID at this point.
Combine that with an overall sense of fatigue around the state, in this county, around the world, with all of the masking and the various vaccines. It's just human nature to want to get back to normal. And so if you put those two together, it's prime ground for a virus to spread quickly.
Traxel says they're able to manage hospitalizations right now, but they often transfer any severe cases to bigger hospitals like in Portland, which is difficult when those hospitals are already slammed. Plus, they're worried about healthcare workers in all capacities getting sick themselves.
We also have an ambulance company here, and it struggles at times to get enough people to drive all of the ambulances. So if they go down sick, we can't even get people out of the county to better care without a life flight helicopter.
And county health officials are urging everyone who hasn't yet to get their booster shot. That will not only help prevent people from getting seriously sick, but also people who are boosted and don't have symptoms don't have to quarantine after a close contact with a positive case. Good for the economy, gets people back to work and going on with their lives. Reporting live in Northwest Portland, Audrey Wheel, Fox 12 Oregon.